Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute, but don't worry, I'm coming with a better explanation. But I'm doing a week in my life as a fashion designer and as a copper. So today is Monday. I'm going to my second state, which is also Osun State. My clearance done. I have a couple of things to do this week, so let's document it down. And honestly, this is my coming back to YouTube. So I hope I'm welcome. Something when I got to the park, there were quite a number of people at the park, and there was no boys. There was not even any sight of Oshogbo bus at all, so we had to wait. So long I walk away from where I was staying just to find a car that is going to Oshogbo. I finally found one, and then we entered because it was literally one person left. People had already rushed in. I stood at the front because it wasn't easy. And then they said 8,100 naira. Normally this is somewhere we take for 4,600 before the festive period, like over the months that I've been taking it. So now they said it's 8,100 naira. We don't have any choice than to take it. But guess what? As we were about going, the driver just rolled up the glasses, and guess there was AC. I was like, okay. There is AC. What the price? It just put some jams, and we literally listened to music throughout the journey. So I think it was the 8K show. This is a sub-assembly. So hi guys, it's Tuesday. I'm on my way to the to Oshogbo Grammar School to go and get my clearance done. You see, I'm wearing my uniform as a copper.
So, video. You want to show the video?
Thanks
so much for your
àbí kẹ́ ṣe fídíò ìbíbí nìkan so ẹ máa ṣe fídíò àwọn nǹkan.
Driver, how much is money? Money. Premium or nothing? How you there? I ain't losing space.
Before
ṣé lè ti dúró.
not getting my agent. My host must have been bleeding for a long time. Then
let me give you a backstory of what happened. Remember in this vlog on Tuesday, I came to do my clearance, but immediately I did my thumbprint. One of those women are already telling me that if my dashboard didn't show present on Wednesday, I should come back on Friday to come and redo it. And Wednesday came, I went back to Ibadan. Wednesday came, unfortunately for me, it was absent, meaning I had to come back to Osogbo. I was still checking my portal, it's not working, and it doesn't make any sense me taking extension just because of their mistake, because obviously it's their system and not my finger, because I did thumbprint. So I had to come back to Osogbo today again to get, even though they didn't waste my time today, I just go meet those women again that my clearance is showing absent on my dashboard and all that, so they just fix it for me. But they're stressed, but I'm not going home today. I won't be going back to Ibadan today because I want that thing to reflect present before going back to Ibadan, so that I won't have to come back to Osogbo again. This time. So I think they're doing the last one. So hi guys, so today is Sunday and I realized that I haven't clocked out of this video. Today's Sunday, nothing really special happened, just that we are expecting our students to still come in because they are starting their class tomorrow. So if you watched this video to this point, thank you for watching. Ensure to click on the like button and subscribe as well, so that you will be notified anytime I drop another video. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye. I should fuck her in the best.